A very good morning to one and all. In last session, we have seen about what is surveying, what are the various types of surveying, and what is the principle involved in surveying. Now we'll move on to the next session, which mainly deals with the first type of surveying based upon the classification of instruments, chain surveying. Chain surveying is a type of survey that is basically used here. Chain surveying is only for linear measurements that are taken in the field. This type of surveying is done for surveys of small extent to describe the boundaries of the plot of land and to locate the existing features on them. What are the various instruments used in chain surveying? We have chain, a cross staff, a plumb bob, ranging rods, and arrows. So, in terms of a chain has a handle and it has links, and both ends of the chain is connected by means of handle. So, when a surveyor wants to unfold a chain, he holds a handle and unholds the chain. The main purpose of chain is to take measurements. It is connected by means of links, where each link refers to a particular distance called as 20 centimeters. So based upon the number of links, we'll be able to calculate the distance. So at every 5 links, we'll have something called as tallies. So that will indicate by means of a meter, a small ring, every 5 links, and in every 5 meter we have tallies. So that will be shown as tallies. And in case of a 20-meter chain, the first 5 meter will have a single tally, and in the 10th meter we have the tally is divided into 2, and in the 15th meter it will be 3 divisions on the tally, and from the 20 meter it will be on the 2, and in the 25th meter the tally will be 1 and it will be the same. So this is there, if you switch out the chain on either sides it will be the same. So that's how the chain is designed like this. Next is the cross staff. Cross staff is an instrument that is mainly used to make the perpendicularity between the survey lines. So cross staff is mainly used to maintain the perpendicularity and also to have proper alignment of the chain line. Next is the plumb bob. Plumb bob is used to locate the point of the particular station. If you are going to design a main station or a subsidiary station or a secondary station or the end point, plumb bob is generally used in case from an to direct a point from an elevated portion to the ground. Next is the ranging rod. Ranging rods are rods that are used to identify the points from a particular distance. When the surveyor needs to fix intermediate stations or stations in a survey line, ranging rods are the instruments that is used to fix the stations at far away. So at quite long distances. The ranging rods are colored at white and red in order to enable easy identification of the station. The ranging rod should be head vertical when we are fixing the survey line. Next is the arrows. Uh, arrows are instruments that are used to fix the intermediate points when we have many number of points. So arrows are generally small brass that is inserted at the station point. So these are all the various instruments that are involved in chain surveying. What is the principle of chain surveying? The main principle of chain surveying is dividing into the area of number of triangles of suitable sides. As a triangle is the only simple plane geometrical figure which can be plotted from the length of 3 sides even if their angles are not known. How to do chain surveying? That is the method of doing chain surveying. Fix the station A and B at some distance by fixing the wooden peg to determine the horizontal distance between them. The position of station A and B is fixed by means of their position from at least 3 permanent objects, and location sketch of the station A and B are drawn. The follower holds one handle of the chain in contact with peg at station A. The leader takes the other handle of the chain, arrows, ranging rods, and walks in the forward direction, dragging the chain with him. After the chain is stretched completely along the line, the follower steps on one side of the line with the ranging rod touching the handle. The follower directs the leader to stand exactly on the line. The leader puts the scratch at the position and inserts the arrow. Hence, he then moves forward with the chain handle with the remaining arrows and the ranging rod till the follower reaches the next arrow point. So this is how a normal chain surveying is done. So here is a picture that is shown how the chain is unfolded, where it will be the tally is indicated as M, how the links is shown in the figure. Thank you all for the attention. Hope you all understood how to do chain surveying and what are all the various instruments that are involved in chain surveying. If you have any queries, kindly post it. Meet you in the next class. Thank you, one and all.